فلعلك تارك بعض ما يوحى إليك وضائق به صدرك أن يقولوا لولا أنزل عليه كنز أو جاء معه ملك إنما أنت نذير والله على كل شيء وكيل.
Then would you possibly leave out some of what is revealed to you? Or is your breast constrained by it because they say, why has there not been sent down to him a treasure or come with him an angel? But you are only a warner, and Allah is disposer of all things.